Hi, welcome to Mr. Eggy's channel. Today I have with me Adidas Young 96. The shoes is very nice and comfortable. Let's get into it. Bang, this shoes right here is really nice. Well built, well put together. Like the style, the Dade vibe. The shoes is like really nice. Gray on gray, a bit of purple color on there on the mesh. The upper is mixed material. The three stripes is leather, suede. You know, the shoes is like well put together. I like the accent of the lime green at the front and at the back and on the side. Really nice. Adidas at the back. Adidas on the tongue. The sole is like built well, solid. A bit of chunky sole. You know, like some of the Dade shoes out there, the sole is like pretty chunky and it looks very bulky, but this one is just at the right size. Can never go wrong with these shoes. These shoes is like beautiful. It's very tasteful too. Can't go around with this Young 96, man.